From a distracted driver that slammed into the median, and a close call on a motorcycle that made this man's life flash before his eyes, to an idiot driver who blindly overtook a dump truck, and much more. Here are some stupid drivers caught on Dashcam. This driver definitely regretted this decision as soon as he made his move. Unsupervision kids and bikes can only mean trouble.
Porra, mano, tem que olhar a rua, cara.
I'm pretty sure there's no crosswalk there. There's so much going on here that I don't even know where to start.
Ебанутый, блядь, сука, прям в лоб. Подожди, я остановлюсь, я не могу ебать дальше.
Roundabouts are a great solution for traffic lights, but for some people, they may be a bit too confusing.
How did you... Oh! Oh! I finally caught something!
Now this is what I call a close call. Fast car plus bumpy road equals almost disaster.
Eita porra!
This dude came out of nowhere and caused an accident. Everyone was okay in the end.
Блядь, нихуя себе.
but
Whoa.
fuck.
Can we call 911 or wait and see maybe he wants to tow the truck? I'm bad luck.
Ух ты, ёпта. Заебись, блядь.
Recklessly overtaking a dump truck. What could go wrong? FedEx, we bring your mail wherever you are. I would freak out if this one happened to me.
Good shit. Good shit.
Then did I fumble for the light switch. This detached garage contained 2 stalls, plus a home workshop where a third car might otherwise have been. Currently, one stall is a Chevy.
Jesus Christ!
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.